How to make 3D text in Capcut on PC and Mac. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make 3D text in Capcut on PC and Mac, so let's dive in. So for that, first you have to click this import, or you can just choose any video or images here from the AI generated library, or you can just open this library over here and then add a video to the track. Now if you're already working on a video, you can just simply add it. I'm just going to add this screen over here and then go to the text option, and then I'm going to add the text over here. And once you add the text, you can adjust the text to be on the video to the amount of time that you want, and then just choose the text over here and then go to this tracking option over here. And in the tracking option, you have to turn this motion tracking on. You simply have to choose the direction if you want over here, and then you have to simply click start, and it's going to start the tracking over here. So once the tracking is complete, you simply have to choose the text and then go to the text option over here, and then here you can choose the font for your text over here, and then you have to go to this effects option, and here you'll find the 3D effects. You can add any 3D effect to your text that you want. I'm just going to add this over here, and then I'm just going to change the font color over here. Just you can come to this basic option, and then you can choose this color option over here, and you can choose any color that you want for your text, and then go to the effects option and add the effect that you want to add to your text over here. And once you're done with that, your 3D text is good to go. And that's a process that you can follow to make 3D text in Capcut on PC and Mac. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.